Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a game like Forsaken. First, define your core gameplay mechanics, such as first-person shooting and intense vehicle combat. Establish a unique futuristic setting with distinct environmental elements, like floating platforms and zero-gravity zones. Plan for diverse enemy types, including challenging boss encounters, and design a robust weapon system with upgradable options. This foundational work is crucial for building an engaging and memorable player experience. Next, choose a powerful game engine like Unreal Engine or Unity, which are excellent for three-dimensional environments. Then, focus on creating high-quality three-dimensional models for all your characters, vehicles, and weapons. Design intricate level layouts that offer verticality and hidden areas for exploration. Finally, implement realistic physics for projectiles and environmental interactions to enhance immersion and gameplay depth. Sound design and user interface are vital for player immersion. Create immersive sound effects for every weapon, explosion, and environmental ambience. Compose an engaging musical score that dynamically enhances the game's futuristic atmosphere. Design an intuitive user interface for seamless navigation and clear information display, ensuring players can easily access vital data. Implement clear visual feedback for all player actions and damage taken, making every interaction impactful. Finally, rigorous testing and optimization are essential. Conduct extensive playtesting to identify and resolve any bugs or glitches, ensuring a smooth experience. Optimize game performance across various hardware configurations to reach a broad audience. Actively gather player feedback to refine gameplay mechanics and enhance the overall user experience. With these steps, you can prepare for distribution on target platforms, supported by effective marketing strategies for a successful launch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.